Made from SCM 415 chromoly steel alloy. Heat treated and hand finished to meet or exceed OEM standards. Outlasts any mild steel or surface hardened sprocket. 15T steel sprocket. Fit type. Vehicle specific. JT Sprockets ensures maximum durability and performance through accurate machining and using only the best grade of SCM 415 chromoly steel alloy. Heat treated and hand finished to perfection, all JT Sprockets meet or exceed the highest possible quality standards for the powersports industry. Each sprocket goes through 10 quality control checks before it leaves the factory. Top reviews from the United States. Good value. Install went smoothly on my 2019 Versys X300. Fits perfect. It does make more noise than the factory sprocket, but for the price I am not complaining. I generally only hear it when coming to a stop. Much better gearing for any situation. First gear is actually usable now as is fifth. Reduced my RPMs by approximately 500. Bike feels much better at all speeds while still having plenty of power.